Hello and welcome to my locks. If this is your first time here, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing the top wedding hairstyles for brides in 2025. Are you planning your dream wedding this year? One of the most important parts of your bridal look is your hairstyle. From timeless classics to modern trends. In this video is a compilation of top wedding hairstyles for bride that will not only complement your dress, but make you feel like the queen of your special day. First on our list is the classic chignon. This elegant updo is a favorite for its timeless beauty. Whether paired with a sparkling tiara or a soft veil, the chignon gives you that graceful and polished bridal look. This style is perfect for traditional and modern weddings alike. Next up, we have the romantic loose waves. Soft cascading coils paired with a floral crown or jeweled hairpins create a dreamy, ethereal vibe. This look is perfect for outdoor or boho themed weddings. Braids are making a big statement in 2025. From fishtail braids to intricate crown braids, these styles add texture and uniqueness to your look. Plus, they are ideal for keeping your hair in place while you dance the night away. Let's not forget the high bun. This hairstyle is perfect for brides who want to show off their neckline or statement jewelry. Add pearls, crystals, or a dramatic veil for an ultra glamorous finish. Finally, we have the sleek low ponytail. Modern, chic, and versatile. This hairstyle is perfect for minimalist brides. Enhance it with hair extensions or bold accessories like jeweled barrettes or ribbons for a sophisticated touch. Continue watching this video to the end to explore all our top wedding hairstyle compilation for you. There you have it, the top wedding hairstyles for brides in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. Which style is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, the perfect hairstyle is one that makes you feel beautiful and confident. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wedding inspirations, hairstyle trends, and bridal inspiration. Until next time, bye.